Hello everyone, in this video we are going to create Captain America shield. So let's start from the part. First of all, we are going to create a sketch. So I draw a circle having diameter 500 mm and convert that circle into construction geometry. Now I am going to draw arc with the help of 3-point arc, defining arc radius is 600 mm and add relation horizontal. Now draw a line and meet with the end point and trim the extra sketch and select the revolve base command and revolve it about the center of axis. Now applying shell command, applying its thickness is 2 mm and shell the part. Now select the face and select reference plane at the distance of 170 mm and again draw sketch. So select the edge and click convert entities. Now making offset of the sketch in the inside direction about 40 mm and again repeat the offset command and make offset 2 times. Now select polygon and enter 5 sides of polygon and draw a polygon. Now choose the line command and meet all the points with the line command one by one as shown in video. Now select trim feature and trim the extra sketch. You can also convert it into construction geometry, or if you want to trim then you can trim. So now I am trimming the extra sketch. Now click on extrude boss and select contour. And select up to surface and click on sketch and extrude base the second one circle. So again select sketch and up to next and extruded base. Again select extrude boss command and select contour. Again select up to next and don't merge the body with the lower surface. Now hide the sketch and choose top plane. You can show the sketch. Now again selecting front plane and keep it in normal position. So draw line and an arc. And make offset of the sketch of 2 mm and draw line command and trim the extra remaining sketch. Click on OK and select the feature command and applying revolve cut with the reference of center line and hide the extra sketch. Now I am going to applying the appearances on the body. Select red color On the upper side of the shield is almost created. Now again choose the plane and draw a circle. Convert the center circle into the construction geometry and define the diameter as 20 mm. Now again draw a circle of 20 mm and select extrude boss command and extrude it boss up to next. Now select the top face of the extrude base feature and draw a slot, defining its width as 20 mm and select feature and extrude it both in the downward direction as 20 mm. Now copy the appearances and paste on the extrude base feature. After applying appearances, I am going to apply fillet. So select the edge and defining the fillet dimension is 5 mm on the edges and click on OK. After that, again choosing the fillet command and applying fillet of 5 mm. On both sides. Now also applying appearances on the handle. You can apply appearances on the face or apply appearances on the whole body. Now I am going to changing its background. This shade is ready. You can have a look here. It's looking pretty good. I'm changing its background for its better view. You can say it's different view by pressing space bar.